Good day, everyone. I am Jeremy Lisa, and I am your Anchor 1.
And I am Shadow Pibiana Liesterian, your Anchor 2. And you're watching News Patrol Philippines.
Today, we focus on one of the biggest problems in our healthcare system, the lacking of hospital facilities in the Philippines.
Many Filipinos struggle to get a proper medical care because hospitals are overcrowded and short of equipment. For more on this, here's our reporter Miko Limbago, live from Quezon City.
Thank you, Torion. I'm here at the Quezon City General Hospital, where patients continue to wait long hours just to receive treatment. Doctor says there are not enough beds, oxygen tanks, and basic medicines. Some patients are forced to wait in hallways and outside because the hospital is full.
We want to help every patient, but our facilities are limited. We need more equipment and more supports from the government.
The Department of Health says they are working to improve hospital services, but for now, patients continue to wait and hope for better care. Back to you, Salisa Dinturion.
Ano yan? Baho. Bastawas, ang 2-in-1 Dio ng bayan, bilang kilikili, pangparin. No preservative, hypoallergenic, and antibacterial, tag 25 pesos lang. Bili na!
The lack of hospital facilities reminds us that healthcare should be right, not a privilege.
That's all for today's report.
This is News Patrol Philippines, delivering truth and service to the Filipino people. Good day.